Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Solana wallet on CryptoMayor using an easy method. First, open your preferred Solana wallet application, like Phantom or Solflare, and make sure it's unlocked. Then, head over to the CryptoMayor website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button is your initial step to linking your digital assets. Once you click Connect Wallet, a pop-up window will display a list of supported Solana wallets. You'll see options like Phantom, Solflare, and others. Carefully select the wallet you are currently using and have open. For example, if you're using Phantom, click on the Phantom icon. This action signals to CryptoMayor which wallet you intend to link for your transactions and interactions. After selecting your wallet, a new prompt will appear directly from your Solana wallet application, asking for your permission to connect to CryptoMayor. It's crucial to review the details presented in this prompt. Ensure you recognize the CryptoMayor domain and understand what permissions you are granting. Once you are comfortable, click Approve or Connect within your wallet to finalize this authorization step securely. Congratulations! Your Solana wallet should now be successfully connected to CryptoMayor. You'll typically see your wallet address or a connected status indicator on the CryptoMayor interface, often where the Connect Wallet button used to be. You are now ready to engage with the platform, whether it's for trading, staking, or participating in other activities. Enjoy your seamless experience with your linked Solana wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.